Hello everyone.
Welcome to Jewels Galore at Jewelry Pattern Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, let us see some smoky quartz jewelry designs. Smoky quartz jewelry exudes a mysterious elegance with its warm, earthy tones ranging from soft, translucent greys to deep, rich browns. Known for its grounding and calming energy, smoky quartz adds a touch of sophistication to any look. Whether set in silver, gold, or wrapped in wire designs, these pieces make a versatile addition to both casual and formal outfits. The subtle glow of smoky quartz pairs beautifully with both neutral and bold colors, making it a timeless favorite. Jewelry made from smoky quartz includes a wide range of elegant and versatile pieces. Here are the most common types. Necklaces and pendants. Smoky quartz is often used as a centerpiece in solitaire pendants or as part of beaded designs. Earrings. Popular in drop, dangle, stud, and hoop styles, often paired with metals like silver, gold. Rings. Used in both statement and minimalist ring designs, often faceted or cabochon cut. Bracelets. Found in beaded bracelets, cuff styles, or charm bracelets offering a warm, earthy tone. Brooches and pins. Adds a vintage or antique flair, especially in ornate designs. Anklets. Less common but trendy in boho and summer styles. Wire-wrapped jewelry. Especially popular in handmade or artisan pieces, enhancing the raw or tumbled smoky quartz.